Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video we're going to talk about how to fix error code 0x80242020 in Microsoft Store and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workarounds. And if you're for the first time, don't forget to subscribe for these kind of helpful videos. So the basics method which you have to try out when you're having this error code, you just have to do a simple restart. By doing this simple restart, most probably the issue has to be fixed. For many users, as I have when I'm doing this research, I have seen that for many users it helped them by doing a simple restart, and many users have mentioned it in the Reddit as well as in the Microsoft community and all over there. So you have to try with a simple restart, and even after trying this, if it's not working, you don't have to panic. We can go to the next one. So next one is all about, you have to go for W reset. So I'll go over here. You have to search for WS reset. Sorry, you just have to search for WS reset. Click on this one. So what happens is you just have to wait over here for a couple of minutes, maybe around 1 minute. So what happens is after this will go away and this will redirect you to the Microsoft Store. So this error is happening for the issue is happening in Microsoft Store. So what you have to just have to go with this one, and this is how it can get fixed up. So even after trying this, if it's not working, the next question is still remain there. What you have to do? So as I said earlier, as you can see, this being set into Microsoft Store. After trying this, if it's still persisting, we have one more solution, that you just have to go over here and you have to search for settings, or you can directly search for apps and feature. I'll go over here, click on apps and feature. From here, what you have to do is you just have to search for Xbox. You can search for Xbox over here, Xbox. And as you can see, we are having 3-dot menu. Just click on this one, navigate to advanced option. From here you just have to scroll down. Right now, as you can see, under reset we have two options, repair as well as reset. Go for both. So both these things will be, if any kind of issues is happening within the app itself, they'll be fixing the issue guys out. So you just go for repair and reset, and most probably after trying this, the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.